Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1 inch IPS touchscreen spatial phone Honda Accord 2018 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Let me open the box. You can check head units with good condition. Let me introduce. This is main head unit. Okay. This is touch screen panel. This spatial harness and other accessories. Okay. Let me show the harness set first. You can check this is special harness for Honda Accord. You can check this canvas box. And this connector to connect our backup head unit. Okay. They come with radio antenna. This is camera. This backup camera, video input, and this is connector. You can check this label, code 10 power cable. Okay, and this connector, and this radio antenna. Okay, and this is K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. This is GND phone connect steering wheel control wire. Okay, this is harness. You can check it comes with 3M. This GPS antenna. This is external microphone. This is original USB. This is camera input, and this audio cable. This is for subwoofer, and this video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio cable for out front and rear, left and right. Okay. And this AUX input. Left and right. This video input. This connect our back of head unit. Okay. Let me show. This drum agent, you can check this come with 2 USB cable, and this external microphone. This main head units, this connects to screen, and this wire diagram, and it's radio antenna, this connectors, this Wi-Fi antenna, and this fuse, this power, this GPS. Okay. You can check this screen front panel and the side. And this connector to main head unit. Okay, let me connect. Okay, connected. Okay, let me power tune voltage. I'm back with power connector. Okay, the screen starts. Okay. Okay, you can check. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, you can check screen already started. Please, you can check this taskbar. You can adjust the brightness. It's fast response. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay. We check very fast response. This home button. We check the setting. You can check our already upgraded this icon with color. Okay, let me check the about machine. You can check MCU version, and this is Octa RAM memory size 4 GB. It's RAM 4 GB. It's PX5. Android version is 9. Spy system. Okay, let me back. You can check it's built-in Wi-Fi and support hotspot from your phone. Back. And let me check the car setting. You can check personal setting. You can autoplay music from USB and the SD card. This is for SC memory. Power delay. When you choose 1 hour and you come into start insert car key and start head unit, it's fast response, fast turn on with 1 second. Okay, it's auto illumination. Navigation setting, you can set the map, it's built in Google Maps. Navigation sound, you can choose it. Driver settings, you can turn on the watch video, and this is for reserving backup camera. This volume you can turn on, and this for rear ruler and tracking display. X mirroring. This for steering wheel control. Okay, this for the restore your system. If you have a problem, you can restore your system. It will back the original system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check this total of 64 GB. Okay. You can also change the language in here. It's built in the Google Play Store and Google Maps. This mirroring from your phone. It supports Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay, that's all. Thank you.